Hi, hello. Today's topic is about transportation injury. In this video, we are going to see about injury sustained by occupants of a vehicle. And most commonly, occupants of a vehicle are driver, front seat passengers, and rear seat passengers. And who sustains a maximum injury? What happens when a driver is aware of the collision? What happens when a driver is unaware of the collision? And what do you mean by ejection injury? What do you mean by seat trauma? And which type of impact has a maximum injuries on the occupants, whether it is front, rear, side, or rollover. And even in the last few sections of our video, we are going to discuss about steering wheel impact injuries and what is seat belt trauma and what is rollover crashes and what are the advantages of wearing a seat belt or a vehicle provided with an airbags and and injuries sustained by a motorcyclist and the cyclist on the later section of the video. And here in this video, it is based on the topics. Just kindly make a patient listening, and if there have been any doubts, queries, and even you can comment on the section below, or either through the WhatsApp group or even through the social media links which have been provided in the description section. When a vehicle impacts, there are four possible ways by which a vehicle can be impacted. When a vehicle collides, most commonly from the frontal aspect, so this is frontal impact, and on the side of a back or on the side of a rear, vehicle also can go for an impact. On otherwise on the sides of impact, or either by rollover or a roof impact, where a vehicle makes a multiple rollovers over the hard surface and it goes for an impact. Here, when an individual wears a seat belt, he is relatively safe in case of a rollover roof impact, and in case of a back impact and front impact, again the people wearing seat belt relatively safe, and even the extreme force, even it can also result in a multiple injuries. Here, in case of side impact, according to the side of the vehicle involved, the occupants of that side sustains a maximum injury when you compare to the other people on the other side of the vehicle. Side impact, where a vehicle strikes on the sides of another vehicle or otherwise skids sideways into a fixed object. Here, a fixed object could be another standing vehicle on the road, or otherwise in a divider, or otherwise any fixed object, any object on the road. Here, the occupants of the side, for example, in this case, it has been there been an impact on the right side of the vehicle, and it been a side impact where occupants like driver and other rear seat passengers on this side of the vehicle are prone for maximum extensive injury comparatively to the other occupants sitting on the other side of the vehicle. And here, in case for this vehicle, it is a side impact. For this vehicle, it is in a front impact. And here again, we talk about only the blue vehicle here. In this vehicle, due to a side impact, there have been a maximum force up on the sides of the door of the vehicle. And here, the metallic doors have been thin comparatively to the other structures of the vehicle, and there is no any extra component which can absorb the force of impact. So it goes for an extensive structural collapse of the vehicle. And here, on their right side, in this case, it is on the right side for the occupants, and people sustains a maximum injury over their right side of the body comparatively to the left side of the body. And if it been a impact in other way on this side of a vehicle, where occupants of this side of a vehicle will sustain the maximum injury on their left side of a body comparative to the right side of their body, by which again, by correlating with the scene of crime and with the injury documented on the individuals, even by which we can relatively find the positions of the occupants. For example, if the individual have been ejected and the individual have been lying on the scene of crime, or otherwise they have been rescued in other way, where there have been no eyewitnesses, or the people can't recollect their etc. The event, in those cases, by seeing the injury sustained and by seeing the vehicle, we can able to correlate with and who are the occupants and who was the driver, and in investigation towards automobile accidents, by which we can identify a driver, and followed by we can interrupt by doing in a toxicological collecting specimens for toxicological analysis, and even we need to look for any other natural diseases which made the driver incompetent and or otherwise unaware of the situation for indulging in an accident. And here again, other components of injury pattern are dicing injury, where a windscreen shatters and where it breaks into smallest pieces, and it can produce a superficial cut or otherwise a superficial lacerated injuries by the fragments of the tempered glass, and most commonly seen on the side and the back windows when a screen goes for a shattering. And here again, individual can even sustain a cervical spine fracture as well as fractures of rib. And here, being fractures of rib, the part which the fractured rib act as a sharp objects, and even it can damage the underlying vital organs. Here in case, so the rib goes for a fracture, and according to the site of the rib which is going to fracture, if it been upper segments of ribs, and it can injure lung structures and the heart structures. And if there been an associated sternum fracture, again it can result in an injury over the part of a heart. And here again, contusion lacerations are possible, where this fractured ribs act as an object, and even it can result in a rupture or otherwise tears over the underlying structures. And if it been on the right side of the lobes of liver and right kidney is also vulnerable for injury. For example, if it in case of a lower segment of rib which is go for a fracture, and by the impact, even a pelvic bone can also go for a fracture on the either side of the person. And side impact relatively complicated because the vehicle has a thin metallic door, and there is no any special component to observe force of impact, so the injuries are extensive. The occupant on the side sustains a maximum injury comparatively to the other occupants on the other sides. And thank you. And that been an error in the last video uploaded, where the audio of this part of the explanation is missing. So a corrective video has been uploaded. Kindly listen this video also. Thank you.